Hello, Scientology. You know exactly who we are. Considering joining your despicable organization, we are still here. It seems that since our monthly worldwide protests commenced, there has been a surge in reports against you. Oh, by the way, how are your book sales going? Well, we trust. We can understand that when your source of income is on the decline, a business must take risks and drastic measures. Drastic like bribing the City of London police to summon a 15-year-old to court over a naughty word. Drastic like charging a crippled man in Plymouth for assault. Drastic like posing as anonymous and handing out fake flyers. Flyers that contain fabrications, dramatized misinterpretations, and slanderous falsities. It's set a new low for you, Scientology. By doing that, you're not only being dishonest, law-breaking, and desperate, you're being pathetic. Even the general public can see that. Your court cases must be costing you so much money that you can't even afford a decent graphic designer to assist you with making your flyers. Our real ones are far better presented. Because of us, Scientology, your potential sources of income have been cut off drastically. Every single day, more and more people hear about your dangerous practices, your lies, and your crimes. The Xenu story is out. There is no hiding it anymore. You will never be able to cover up that expensive secret now. Ex-members of Scientology have come out and are now speaking against you. They've listened to their doubts, they've discovered the truth, and have now realized that you really are the world's joke. Even without Anonymous, your cult will fall. Oh, what was that? Does the word cult offend you? Deal with it. You know deep down inside that that's exactly what you are. A cult. In closing, we will continue to protest against you, continue to educate the people about your evils, and your income will continue to decrease. You haven't lost the game yet, but you're well on the way. And remember, this was entirely your fault. You brought this on yourself. When your leaders are facing a judge, being prosecuted for fraud, malpractice, criminal harassment, extortion, exploitation of children, and the perversion of justice, know that you've only got your greed, malice, and stupidity to blame. Because of you, leaders of Scientology, the internet came forth as an entity, for the first time in history, and did what was necessary to fix things. We are anonymous.